Want to have some fun? Come out. Count Me in Entertainment, a family fair barbecue. Sunday, August 14th, 2011, at City Park, 1 o'clock p.m. Be there. Fun and games, water games, flag football game, food and drinks, DJ and music, a jumper for the kids. Just come out. It's gonna chance to socialize with people in your community. Let's just have a good time. Be there.
I got a whole lot of money, bitches count it for me. Bottle keep popping that water bed, whole jacket. It's a party, it's a party.